Unlock your youthful glow today. Classic medium shag with soft curtain bangs. This timeless mid-length style is perfect for women wanting a youthful frame around the cheekbones, balancing oval and heart-shaped faces effortlessly. Tousled shaggy bob with textured ends. An upbeat short haircut designed for fine hair, delivering rich crown volume and dynamic movement that lifts sagging jawlines. Long layered shag with wispy fringe. Ideal for long hair enthusiasts seeking a lighter feel. This style strips away bulk while framing the forehead to soften facial wrinkles. Curly shag with voluminous crown. Designed for natural curls, this bouncy cut adds energetic structure and youthful playfulness to naturally textured or permed hair. Edgy feathered wolf shag cut. A modern hybrid style featuring choppy feathering that draws immediate attention to the eyes and cheekbones for a bold, youthful vibe. Shoulder-length shag with micro bangs. A stylish, high-fashion option that opens up the eye area, creating an instant facial lifting effect for women with rounder face shapes. Wavy shag with golden balayage highlights. Combining undone beach waves with warm highlights creates a sun-kissed softness that counteracts dull skin tone and tired features. Which shag style has been your favorite so far? Let us know the number in the comments. Short pixie shag with razored crown. A ultra-low maintenance cropped shag that infuses instant youthful energy into short hair while accentuating strong cheekbone structure. Mid-length shag with choppy face framing layers. Strategically cut shorter layers near the chin soften angular jawlines, giving square and rectangle face shapes a gentler silhouette. Shag lob with soft center parting. A sophisticated long bob shag hybrid that provides elegant structure for professional women seeking a modern, age-defying image. Retro 70s modernized shag with heavy curtain fringe. Nostalgic voluminous flicked ends combined with rich curtain bangs create a youthful, playful movement full of retro chic flair. Fine hair shag with root lift and soft layers. Specifically tailored for thinning hair. This technique builds subtle height at the crown to give flat locks an instant thicker appearance. Platinum silver shag with Piecey crown volume. Embracing natural silver or platinum tones with an edgy shag cut turns graying hair into a fashion-forward, youthful style statement. Beach wave shag with caramel balayage. Relaxed undone texture paired with warm caramel tones infuses skin with a healthy sunlit glow that takes years off your look. Which shag style inspired you the most? Drop your favorite number in the comments below. Asymmetrical short shag with side bangs. An unconventional uneven haircut line shifts focus away from fine lines around the eyes, offering a fun, youthful dynamic. Shag French bob with soft brow bangs. Combining classic French bob chic with shag razoring creates an ultra-stylish, youthful look that sits right at jaw level. Long shag with choppy face framing layers. Keep your hair length while getting rid of heavy, flat locks using cascading razored layers that dance around the neck and collarbone. Voluminous shag with soft feathered crown. Feathered crown layers create subtle height on top, lifting the illusion of facial proportions to make cheekbones appear higher. Medium shag with wispy see-through bangs. Airy, see-through bangs add a trendy K-beauty-inspired touch that softens facial features without completely covering your forehead. Texturized shag with flicked razor ends. Slightly flipped razor-cut tips introduce a playful, dynamic bounce that revitalizes straight hair with an effortless, youthful edge. Which of these 20 shag styles was your absolute favorite? Don't forget to tell us its number in the comments.